The injury recordkeeping rule applies to all businesses subject to OSHA regulations, with a few partial exemptions. Businesses with 10 or fewer employees are not required to keep injury and illness records, unless they are specifically instructed to by OSHA. Some industries are exempt from this requirement. This includes many retail stores, gas stations, legal services, engineering services, and more. Refer to 29 CFR 1904 Subpart B, Appendix A, for a complete list. These exemptions apply to the keeping of records. Exempt businesses are still required to notify OSHA in the event of a catastrophic injury. All employees on the company payroll are covered by this rule. It does not matter if they are labor or management, hourly, salary, or part-time. If a worker is not on the payroll, but supervised by the employer on a day-to-day basis, they are also included.